Transform this into this with just one click and a single AI tool. These viral video styles are everywhere, and now I'll show you how to create them yourself. We'll create these types of videos using just our phone. We're gonna head on over to LensGo AI. LensGo AI is where you're gonna achieve such videos. They have tons of styles. They have 14 different prompts: 3D game, felt, Pixar, voxel, Nintendo 64, Van Gogh, JoJo, Walking Dead, claymation, Lego, liquid, Ghibli, origami, and fire. What you're gonna do is upload a video. I uploaded this stock-free video that I got from Canva, and it's just two people talking. Now what you're gonna do is choose a prompt. Once you choose a prompt, it's gonna show you the style strength, video duration, and FPS. You get 100 free credits, but if you need more, it's about $6 for the standard version, and you can generate a duration of 30 seconds, and you get more credits. This is what it looks like. Pretty good, huh? Just click download, and it will save right to your phone. Now I'm gonna show you how to create an anime video, like this one.
The woman picked up a cup of tea and splashed on the man's face. The angry man on...
You're probably like, where do I get the story? You get the story right from TikTok. I know, it's that easy. And yes, it's monetizable if you do it the right way. Just make sure you follow every step. Go to the search bar and look up story movie recaps or movie recap videos. You're gonna find one that you find entertaining. Make sure that the subtitles are on the black part of the video. You wanna find a video like this one. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of the subtitles and the watermark. Click copy link. Now to download the video without the watermark. We come on over to Snaptic where you can download a video without the watermark. You just paste the link and then you click download. Now it will save on your phone, right down at the bottom with the little blue circle. You click it and it's in your downloads right there. Now you need to split your video into 5-second mini videos because you can only generate 5-second videos on LensGo for free. It is a tedious process, but if you're on a budget, it's worth it. Make sure you save it as a new clip because you need the original video to make the mini clips. Now that you have all your clips, you're gonna go back over to LensGo to generate them. It's the same process, upload your videos, and then you click done, click Ghibli, and next. Click generate video, and here it is.
Because the girl was ugly, her father sold her to the Academy of Magic.
Once you generated and downloaded all the 5-second videos, you're gonna take it over to CAPCUT to edit. So what you're gonna do is upload the original 1-minute video because we need to extract the audio from the voiceover from the video. At the bottom, click extract audio. Now that you've extracted the audio, you're going to click transcript. What this is going to do is it's going to write out the script for you. Now that you have the script from the video, you want to add it to the video. Now you're going to delete the extracted audio that we extracted a little earlier. You should just have the script now. Click one of the texts, click text to audio. As you can see, some of the words aren't words. So you click improve, click rephrase. Now you have a whole new script. Tap replace down at the bottom. Now click apply. Now you can record your voice straight from CAPCUT or you can use one of the voiceovers. Click next, split automatically, give it a listen.
This girl got sold to the magic school because she was ugly. She had her first...
That is literally amazing. Now you're gonna export the video because you're gonna use the voice from the video later in your new video. Let's go over to Canva. I know, what do we need Canva for? We need a black screen for our new video. Canva has them for free. So you're just gonna put in black background and you're gonna stretch it out to fit the canvas. Now we're gonna come back over to CAPCUT and upload the black screen. Stretch the black screen all the way out, about as long as the video. Now you're gonna click overlay and you're gonna upload your new videos. Your new videos you just generated on LensGo. Now stretch them out to fit the black canvas. Make sure it's right in the middle because we will be using text and captions. Now let's upload the audio. Click audio. Now you're gonna click extract.
This girl got sold to the magic school because she was...
Perfect. Okay, now you're gonna add text and we're gonna put part 1. And then you're going to find a template that you like. So I like this green one. I'm gonna put it on the top. You want the text to be on the whole video. So you're gonna take it and then stretch it all the way to the back of the video, just like that. This video needs background music. So you're gonna click audio. You're gonna type in sad music. You wanna look for the little red and white icon. Those are owned by CAPCUT and you'll never get copyright claims on your videos. So I'm gonna add this audio and turn it down to about 33.
This girl got sold to the magic school because she was ugly.
That sounds amazing. So now we need some captions. So you're going to click the text and then you're gonna click auto captions. And then you're gonna choose the captions that you like the most. I'm just gonna pick these ones and add them in. These are the perfect fit. I'm just gonna move them down a bit, right in the middle.
This girl got sold to the magic school because she was ugly.
That turned out amazing. Now you're gonna export it at 4K if you want. And that is how you make an anime, ladies and gentlemen. Now I know you wanna see the results. Here they are.
This girl got sold to the magic school because she was ugly, and she had some crazy energy inside her. When she got to the school, she had her first magic lesson with Yennefer. The first girl tried to make a rock float with her magic, but her hand turned into a dead tree.
You can achieve significant success and earnings with these types of videos. Stay patient, focus on using effective SEO strategies, and create eye-catching thumbnails. With the right approach, you could reach monetization in fewer than 10 videos. If you enjoy learning about AI and how to use it on your phone, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get all the new updates. Thanks for watching.